Hi everyone, and in this video I just wanted to give you an update on how is going the development of Android version of AMI mobile application. So what you can see now on the screen is Android emulator for Mac OS. Basically it has the same features. Well, it's a full-featured Android phone, but it can be run within operational system itself. So let's begin. You can see that there is an application icon for my TV. So let's just run it. So you can see now on the screen Android version of AMI TV, for my TV mobile application. So what do we have now? What sections, what features? Let's go with the very beginning. Let's start with the very beginning. So we have browse section, offline section for offline videos we just saved, downloaded, viewed section for videos we already viewed and probably would want to watch again. Settings section, well, that's simple. Help section. Well, I'm sure you can recognize all those sections from iOS version of the application. And also here is search section. And let's start with video playback. So let's open an episode of a featured video. Let's start with this one, the latest one, and let's click play. Let's give it a couple of seconds. So as you can see now, video plays back. And we have subtitles here in the bottom area. Well, I'm sorry that I can't capture audio at this moment, just my voice. So we have video, we have controls, we have subtitles. Okay, now let's go back. And for example, what do we have here? We have thumbnail, we have duration, video duration, we have episode title, episode description, which season, which episode number, when it was added, save for offline, and share buttons. Let's go back. So we watch this one, and now let's go to shows page. So here we have a list of shows that are available for mobile applications. So this is AMI TV list. Let's let's go with this one. So here we have this is a show page, a show section. What do we have here? We have title, we have number of seasons, title again, and description. So from here we can go through the list of episodes. Also we can filter them out like this. And we can click any episode, and here is again episode page, episode section. We have duration, thumbnail, play button, title, description, and so on. So let's click play for this one. I'll just fast forward it. Yeah, and we have subtitles here. So we have no problem with playback and subtitles functions, and also have controls for video. Okay, now let's go back to the very beginning, probably. For example, let's see how work offline offline viewing. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to turn off internet connection for the emulator. Okay, looks like it's dead. Airplane mode. That's would take us offline for 100%. And now let's try and watch one of those downloaded episodes. So we can see now that a downloaded episode, it has this button that change to remove from offline. Let's click play, and as we can see, since it's offline video, it would instantly start playback. You can see subtitles here. Yes, it's there. Offline viewing feature is there. It's implemented. So now let's go to the documentaries section, and we can see here list of documentaries episodes that are under this section. Digital shorts. Featured list. Recently added list. All there, subtitles, video. Okay. And now what's left? Well, settings are settings. Trust me that they're working. Help section. And not to forget MITLE version of the app. Basically it's the same app, but it has all the localization in place. So we can see that browse page is fully translated. Menu is also translated into French. Settings section, help section, basically it's the same as iOS application. It's one app that has built-in localization, and depending on language of the phone, it would use different strings, different texts for objects, for labels, for buttons, and so on. Also, it will fetch from different sources the list of shows and episodes. So as you can see, French localization, MITLE version of the app is also already has exists, has same features. It's the same app essentially. And I think I didn't forget anything for now. So at this moment, application is this much ready. It still needs to be tested, and there are some misproportions, maybe around sizes for texts, for labels somewhere. For example, things are left like this. So this label doesn't have arrow icon, and this one has. Things like that. So this is the current state for the development of the app, and this wraps things up for this video, and thank you so much for watching.